Hey, future dentists! Did you know that over 120 million Americans are missing at least one tooth? Let's dive into an interesting solution: fixed partial dentures, or FPDs. Today, I'm breaking down the pros and cons. First up, the pros. FPDs are cost-effective. Generally, they're less expensive than implants. Plus, they're non-surgical, so no invasive procedures are required. If you're in a hurry, FPDs are a quick solution. They can be fabricated and placed faster than implants. Aesthetically, FPDs restore the appearance of missing teeth and help maintain the alignment of neighboring teeth. They're customizable to match the patient's natural teeth, which is a huge plus. Another benefit is that there's less healing time involved since no bone integration is needed. FPDs are suitable for patients with insufficient bone for implants and are easier to maintain since cleaning is similar to natural teeth. Lastly, they're widely available in most dental clinics. Now, the cons. FPDs have a shorter lifespan, usually needing replacement after 5-15 years. They require support from adjacent teeth, which can weaken or damage those teeth over time. FPDs don't prevent jawbone resorption, so bone loss can still occur. While they improve aesthetics, they may not look as natural as implants. The durability is also limited. They're less robust compared to implants. Oral hygiene can be a challenge. Cleaning under the bridge can be tricky, and supporting teeth are prone to decay. FPDs are also not suitable for everyone as they require healthy adjacent teeth. Lastly, they may not feel as secure or stable as implants. So there you have it, the pros and cons of fixed partial dentures. Weigh these factors carefully when advising patients. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Dr. DV Duo for more informational videos. See you next time.